This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then enter the connection and sharing category. Next, scroll the page and go for the data usage. And in here you can see the statistics about how much mobile data you have used through the SIM card that is currently set as your preferred choice for, mobile data, as well as the statistics on how much data have been used by what particular application. So if you would like to check the data usage for another SIM card you have inserted, you gotta simply switch your SIM card preference, which we have a whole separate video about, so make sure to check it out. And on the other hand, if you would like to check your Wi-Fi usage, simply tap at the icon over there and switch the page to the Wi-Fi usage. And here's my Wi-Fi usage as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.